Hello children, today I am going to revise weekly test question answer. First section A, answer in one word. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which state? Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Tripura. So Tropic of Cancer does not pass through, answer Orissa. What is the latitudinal coordinate of the Tropic of Cancer? Latitudinal coordinate of the Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 N. Which channel separates India from Sri Lanka? 10 degree channel, Park Strait, English Channel, 8 degree channel. Right answer, Park Strait. Which of the following countries does not share its land boundaries with India? Answer D. Tejas Khan. Lakshadweep Islands are located in which water body? So it is located in Arabian Sea. What was the main item exported from India to different countries in ancient time? Beginning, silk. So these are the answer for the section A, answer in one word. Section B, 7th question. India's land routes have been important since ancient time. Explain. India has a long history of international ties. It has also strong geographical and historical links to her neighbors. Let us see what are that. The various passes across Himalayas have provided gateway to many ancient travelers. The ocean restricted such interaction. So, these routes have contributed in exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient time. Then, due to India's unique position in Asia, the ancient land route, including famous Silk Route, passed through India subcontinent. Then, ideas of Upanishad, Ramayana, the Panchatantra and other Indian scripture were also and decimal system also crossed the border. Not only that, India's silk, spices and handicrafts, muslin and other merchandise were also taken from India to different countries. So these points you should have to write in this question. The next question, describe how the geographical features of India have fostered unity and homogeneity in Indian society. India's shape and size has contributed in fostering unity in the country, and many rivers and its tributaries cut across various states that meets the needs of irrigation and bring about prosperity in the country. So these points you have to mention. And the 8th question, write the size and extent of India. So size and the extent of India, you have to write the size and latitudes and longitude, extents, Tropic of Cancer, landmass of India. These things you have to write. So this is a 3-mark question. At least you have to write 5 points. First you have to write India is the 7th largest country in the world. It lies in the northern hemisphere. Second one, you write latitudes, extent 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute eastern side. Then Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 minute north. which divides the country into almost two equal parts, southern part and northern part. Total land mass of India 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of total geographical area of the world. These points you must have to mention, write it in the point wise. Okay. These are the section B short answer type questions. Next, answer in detail. The first question, 10th question, central location of India at the head of Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. So this is very important question. India's location. So Indian landmass has a central location between the East and West Asia. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes provide a strategic central location to India. Because these routes connect Europe to Eastern Asian countries. Various passes across mountain in north and that provide the passages to the ancient travelers. So these routes have contributed in the ideas of exchanging of ideas and commodities from ancient times. So India is a very strategical located. For this you refer page number 2. Last question, 11th question. Explain why 82 degree 30 minute east an odd value has been chosen as a standard meridian of India. So very important question. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag about 2 hours. So if you see the India map, you can know that start from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India, 82 degree 30 minute east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as a standard time for the whole country. So otherwise different regions of India would have different time, which would create problem. So to have one common standard time for the whole country. So this time has been selected and called Indian Standard Time, that is IST. So you have to write in the point wise. Okay. So it is a 5-mark question. At least 5 points should be there. 5 to 7 points. Thank you, children.